Barbecue fam, today we're doing up some beer brats on the slow and sear kettle. Oh hell yeah, check this out. I've got jalapenos, red cherry peppers, poblano pepper, onions. Throw that all in, dice it all up, obviously. Put that in a pan, put your brats on top, and then cover it with your favorite Oktoberfest beer that might be left over. It's now November. Oh hell yeah, I got a couple. And I'm using Sierra Nevadas and Samuel Adams Oktoberfest. Then we're gonna put it in direct cooking here for about 20-30 minutes at about 350. And then you're gonna pull those brats out, gonna sear them off, and then you're gonna put them back in, slide that over the heat, let it go for a little bit longer so you soften up all the onions and peppers, because that's your toppers, baby. And we got some beer mustard. Oh hell yeah. And we're rolling with a little bit of cherry smoke in there as well. So like the brats are on top, they're submerged into the beer, but it's gonna catch a little smoke. You're gonna roll them around, and then like I said, about 25-30 minutes tops, 350. You can pull them out, sear them, pop them back in, slide that pan above the heat, and oh hell yeah. And I found these brioche dog buns. Oh, toast those up and then pop your brat in, your toppers, beer, mustard, and oh, you got a hell of a time.
Give me a hell yeah!
Now, beer brats don't need to be just done on a grill. You could do these in a cast iron pan. You could do them in the oven. There's so many different options. Same with any kind of cook. So get outside. It's November and it was 60 degrees. It's starting to get cold now, but take advantage of these nice warm days. Oh hell yeah. Hell yeah.
I said give me a hell yeah!
Look at these bad boys. Oh, hell yeah. Beer brats done. And it got cold out quick. Now I can see my breath. It is cold. But these are steaming. Nice and warm. Oh hell yeah. Those smell delicious. Now we gotta take a taste of one of these bad boys. Oh hell yeah. Ooh. She looked messy too. All right. They're amazing. Oh, these are rocking. And with the brat sitting on top, And we got that smoke. You saw that? They turned red from that cherry wood, boy. That was cool. Definitely badass. Awesome way to do beer brats. Oh, hell yeah. Go do your own. Easy to do. Leave a comment down below. Do you love beer brats or do you just love beer? Oh, hell yeah. I'll catch you guys next time.
I said give me a hell yeah!
Try to take another bite. Those things are big. They're juicy as all hell and delicious. Packed full of flavor. Go make some. Oh, hell yeah.